All right, so let's slow it down and see what it really takes in real time to clean up. If you're actually here to do a real cleaning. So this is bubble gum getting up off the ground. I'm just gonna do a little quick square right here just to kind of show y'all in real time what it looks like and the reason why we charge for what we do for doing pressure washing jobs. If you really wanted to get your concrete clean, this is really just an example and a sample of a small square. And maybe I'll get another spot a little bit later, like have the drivers make that coming up from the street, and we'll see how it look like from there. But as you can see, I'm going around, spraying around, and I'm gonna do a little square right here to show y'all what the concrete look like if we was actually doing the surface cleaning. You know, it's you can tell it's a big difference from getting no grime and no dick up out of there. Now this is just straight pressure washing yourself. I didn't use no soap or anything like that, or no degrease or anything like that I would have used for a driveway cleaner that I would have used originally to get this done. But I just kind of want to give y'all an example of what I was really doing at this job, was just cleaning up my mess and just rinsing everything down. But as you can see, if you did a serious pressure washing, that your driveway can actually come out looking really good. This is just a small square to give you an example. All right, so we back here again, and we're gonna go ahead and do half this driveway right here. And I'm just gonna show y'all kind of like what it looked like before and what we get if you did it after. I'm just going to speed up the video just a little bit to get it done and over with, and that way y'all can kind of take a look and see exactly what it takes to, or what it looks like when you actually get it done. So let's speed it up and let's see the end results.